Is SurveyPago a great paid service site, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from Paid from Surveys, and in this SurveyPago review I will give you an inside look and explain exactly what you can expect so you can find out if this is the right site for you to join or not. So before taking an inside look, let's first go over who can join SurveyPago so you will know if this review is even relevant for you or not. And when you go to the website, at the very top you can see there's a small flag there, and they have a separate panel for all these different countries here. And as you can see, many of them are actually Spanish-speaking countries, and SurveyPago is kind of specialized in Spanish-speaking surveys, but there are also panels in other countries. You can see, for example, also Germany, there's also Australia, UK, like Indonesia, India, France. So there are also others, but there are a lot of them that are Spanish-speaking countries, as you can see here. I will also leave a link below this video here to my website where I have listed the exact countries where they are actually accepting members. But let's now then take an inside look so you can see what it offers and if it will be worth it or not. So I have now logged in, and it is a very simple survey site. It is run on surveys from cintpanel, and if you have taken a lot of paid surveys before, you have probably heard about Cint, because there are quite a lot of panels that are offering surveys through them. It is a big survey provider, and the good thing about surveys from there and any panel that offers those surveys is that you know it is legit and that you will actually get paid for the service you take. It then also has some disadvantages, but we will go over that a little bit later. Let's start here by going over the profile, because that is one of the things you need to fill out, and there are quite a lot of questions to answer. This is one of the disadvantages of most Cint panels, because you have to answer these to get the best chances of qualifying for more surveys. But you do not get paid for taking these profile surveys as you do on many other sites, and it will probably take you around half an hour at least to fill out all these questions. So if you want the chance to get a lot of surveys here on SurveyPago, you just need to be prepared to spend maybe around half an hour to fill out those profile questions without getting paid for it. And then you can just find a tab here called Surveys, and here you will then have a list of the available surveys for you. Sometimes there are quite a few, and other times there might be none, but you can easily see exactly how long it is estimated that each survey will take and how much you will get for it. So you will know exactly what to expect there, and the time estimate is fairly accurate in my experience. And you can even earn up to $5 for some surveys, but most of them will definitely pay you less than that. The disadvantage is then that often you will not find a huge number of surveys, and in many cases you will definitely not get a survey every day. Sometimes maybe a couple of weeks, maybe depending on your profile, 5 per month or something like that. So it is not a survey site in general that you should rely on as your only survey site in my experience. It can be nice to get access to a few extra surveys, but it does not offer a huge amount. So if you like taking more surveys and would like to earn more, then definitely do not rely on it as the only site. So let's also go over how you can then get your earnings out, because that is of course very important to know before you decide if it is for you or not. And you can get paid out via PayPal, gift cards, or these C codes, which is virtual gift cards codes. And exactly which gift cards, for example, are available, that of course depends on the country you live in. And you can get your earnings out when you have earned $10, so the payout threshold is fairly low. It can take a bit of patience to reach because it does not offer that many surveys, but this of course depends on your profile and the country you live in. But I do like the payout threshold is only $10, and also they have a good variety of rewards. You can get paid in cash, which I think is great on service sites, and also some relevant gift cards and gift card codes. So definitely payout methods are good. So overall, SurveyPago is a legit service site. It can definitely be a way to earn a bit extra by sharing your opinion. I do like the simplicity of it. It is very easy to get started, and you will receive an email when there are available surveys. So it does not take a lot of extra time, and it has a nice, fair, low payout threshold and some great payout methods. But it has quite limited available surveys, so you just need to be aware of that, and therefore you should not join it as the only survey site, in my opinion. There are a lot of other sites that give you access to a lot more, but as an extra site, it can potentially be worth joining so you get a few extra surveys once in a while. And if you want to know even more details about SurveyPago, or if you want to see a list of sites in your country with even more available surveys, then I have information about all that on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid surveys, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.